Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 20 of snowing through January with my minis. And we have our $7 and we have our binder with all of our little dashboards and our minis bank. So we have our $7, 3 and 4. How are you today? How is your Tuesday? Did your Monday go okay? Hopefully you have a quiet week. Hopefully it's not snowing where you're at. It is beautiful. Yesterday on Monday, it was beautiful in Vegas. We had like maybe high of 68, little cool breeze in the shade, but beautiful, beautiful day. All right, so we're going to borrow Brian, and I have my prop coins. I have my dice tower from Dawn at Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. Her husband made it. Love it so much. I'm obsessed. Okay, so we have everything we need. We're going to start at number 2 where the paper clip is. And if any of you guys got this on my Etsy and you just saw that, like when I laminated it, I cut it out by hand and I'm like, this is the silliest thing, but I left it in the little bundle just because that's what I used. So why not? All right, so 2 is getting 1. 3 is getting 1. All right, I was going to say, let's get more than 1. 3 for number 5. 3 for number 6. I don't remember if we're close to finishing anything. 1 for 7. 2 for 8. 1 for 9. 1 for 10. And then we go back to 1. 1 got 2. Ooh, 1, 2, 3 for number 2. And then our last one will go to number 3. We will put the paper clip on number 4. All right. So we have 50 cents going into number 1. Can't believe we're on day 20. How crazy is that? So this one is from Amy by Nature, so we can cross off 2 Saturns. And we have 75 more cents, and then that one will be done. And 2, got a bunch. Oh, wow. Okay, so we have 175 going into number 2. And this one is I Poop Breakfast from Budgeting with Bree on Ko-fi. Budgeting with Bree, $14.87. So let's see, that's $1.75. So $25.50, $75, $1, $25.50, and $75. So we still have a bunch of eggs left, but this will save us $6 when we are all set. I got a nice one. All right, number 3 got 50 cents. And oh, so close. This one is from Emzo Budgets. We needed 75, but we got 50 cents. So we have 25 more cents, and that one will be done. So tomorrow, looking good for that. Unless we don't get all the way around because we start here. So I probably just jinxed day 21. All right, so this one is 50 cents. This one's from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets, formerly Printable by Woods. So we can cross off 2 snacks. Then put that back in there. And then number 5 got $1.50. And this one, that's exactly what we needed. This one's from Becca Budgets. Don't meow with me. I'm not kidding around. So this is the 50, and then 25, 50, 75, $1. Woohoo! Yay! Angry Kitty's gone. I'm not yaying that Angry Kitty's gone because he's kind of cute. But all right, so I filled the extras with a bunch of stuff. So let's see. All right, one thing at a time. Can't take out a bunch. So this one is from Budget with Carly. Each little bat will be 25 cents. It'll save us $3. I crossed out 2 because I wanted to make it an even number. Oh, silly me. We're not putting anything in here. That's ready for next time. All right. Number 6 got $1. And this one is, oh, it needed 75 cents. So this one's from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So 25, 50, and 75. This one saved us $4. So we needed 25, 50, 75. So we needed 75. So we have 25 left. And our extras. Ooh, from Pink Plum Budgeting. But first, champagne. Love it. So we can mark off 1 box. Look at how pretty that is. All right, and then number 7 got 25 cents. Little Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure. So we can do 1 phone booth. So we have $2 more to go, and this one will be done. And then 50 cents going into number 8. This one is from Savings with Tracy. We can do 2 more beads. I'll let that dry for a second. Okay, and number 9. My goodness, spilling everywhere. Number 9 got 25 cents. Also so close. This one is from Hey K Budgets. Adorable little tacos are going to hang around another day. Okay. And then number 10 got 25 cents. This one is from Danny at Craftco Budgets. This one came, I think, with her book, 2025 book that I did. And that is done. So we finished 2 of them. So let's grab those. So we finished 6 and 4. So that's $10. That is awesome. Go to our little minis bank. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then we'll put our prop coins away. I feel like I'm getting so efficient with this. All right, then we go to the back. See, put a bunch of extras in there. So I'll be ready to go into February, I'm sure. So we can put our $10 in here. And then 2 more challenges added to the back for completed. I can't wait to count how many we finish. And that is a wrap for day 20. Oh, I can't even close that. Okay, we'll do that. All right, so thank you guys so much for being here. I really appreciate it. Hopefully you come back tomorrow. Let me know if you finished any today, and let me know if it's snowing where you're at, because right now it looks like blue skies and sunny, and I think the temperatures are in the upper 60s. So come to Vegas right now. All right, until next time, take care. Bye.